Well, we got the rocker panel fit up to the floor pan, and my brother's now using his new Harbor Freight spot welder to weld it in. This thing went together like a Lego set. Or as my brother said, it fit damn good. Yeah, couldn't ask for it to go together any nicer than what it did. Yeah. All the gaps lined up, holes lined up. Yeah. Perfect. So he was doing that. I wire wheeled the radiator, straightened up some of the bent fins on it, and put a couple coats of Eastwood undercoat black on it, or underhood black. It did have, we sent it out and had it tested, and it had a leak in it, so that's what that is. They repaired the little pinhole that was in it. But other than that, the radiator is actually in very good condition. Meanwhile, back in the garage, more spot welding is going on.